Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, shape drawing and color fill. First color name kids, orange color, yellow color, brown color, green color, pink color, purple color, light sky blue color, red color, light pink color and light green color. Kids shapes drawing and color fill. Heart, triangle, moon, cloud, hexagon, circle, kids color fill, light pink color, heart, brown color, triangle, sky blue color, moon, cloud, purple color, orange color kids, hexagon, green color kids, circle, kids shapes name repeat: heart, triangle, moon, cloud, hexagon, circle. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you kids.